Oh my god. Hi guys, what's up? Second. What's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sarah and today's gonna be a real different video because I've never done this in my channel and I feel like I need to improve my channel a little bit more for people to get a little bit more entertained. So basically I'm gonna be doing slime. But in this box, I have all the ingredients and the crafts and everything for slime. So, let's open the box. Okay. So, take that mug off. Inside it is beads, full beads. So basically, I have glitter glue. But last time I tried to use it and it didn't make slime because I think there was something wrong with it, or maybe this is like just you can't make slime out of this, or maybe I put too much activator. Actually, I don't know the reason, so if you know the reason, comment down below. I did slimes, a lot of slimes, but they're all downstairs. So this was the glue I was making the slime. Making sort of texture, so, but it's fine. So later on, I'm gonna be going to the grocery store, and this is my mixing spoon. I always use it's like you find it if you make I can't even speak. So I'm gonna put very little of this. So by the way, not all slimes are good for you. So that's why I like to put it with only 2 ingredients, which is laundry detergent, persil, and that's what I use. I don't want to like squeeze too much because if I squeeze, everything will come out. Because this is okay. Yeah, everything is gonna come out anyway. I don't want everything. Like I don't want everything because I don't really use this thing. I don't want to waste it. Okay, I don't even use it. Okay, so I'm gonna put that amount, like just a little, because I know this is not gonna work. Because this is like literally glitter. It's like glitter with like glue stick melted. So maybe it's because the brand I bought, or there's something ingredients in it, which is really bad, or it's just all glitter. I tried to wash it once. All stick to the plate, so I have to wash a lot. Okay, so basically this is not turning good, as I said. So after I go to the grocery store, I will be vlogging going to the grocery store, so don't worry. So stay tuned and subscribe if you want to see that. It's gonna be happening today, hopefully. So yeah, I keep my little things over here for some reason, and I'm gonna wash this. But after I finish this video. So basically it didn't really work as I expected. You know, never works. I mean, I tried, but it didn't work. Okay, so I'm gonna just mix a little bit more because it kind of turned into slime. But no, it's really like, really sticky. It's supposed to be sticky, but it's not stretchy at all. Look at this. Barely stretchy, not even stretchy. I can't even call that stretchy. This is leftovers. Oh my god. This is leftover glue from last time. Oh, it feels so good though. I wish you guys could feel it. This is not like completely dried. It's like still drying up. But it's like, it feels, I can't really, it's like plastic. It's like, I think that's how they make plastic. That's how it feels, but I feel like there's something, ooh, that's from the glue, obviously. Or it's from the, I don't know. I mean, just mix the glue, the glitter with the thing. And by the way, you guys are like, what is that background? It in my nanny's cleaning. So basically, I used to not be allowed, doesn't make sense, but okay. I used to like actually, I used to like not. No. I was not allowed. Yeah, exactly. I was not allowed to do slime before, and they said that slime does cancer, just like the disclaimer. And I just double checked that if that was true, and that was true. But they said if you put borax in, yeah, slime is really bad. But if you don't put borax, nothing will happen to you. So trust me, guys. This is actually true. Slime makes you cancer, and I wish I could go to the Ellen show by saying that, but I'm a big fan of Ellen, guys. So okay. So this is how it turned out. Well, not as I expected, but it's fine. It's fine. It's not really stretchy. Not even stretchy. I think it's because of something in the glue, or it's because the glue I bought, maybe it was damaged, or it's the brand, or there's something in the materials. I tried to read the materials in the shop, but then the guy's like, oh, no, this is really good for slime. And I'm like, are you sure you know what slime? And he's like, yeah. And I'm like, okay, is it stretchy? He's like, no, it's not stretchy. So that's why I think he told me. Because I think he doesn't know slime, and he's like, take it, he just wants money, okay? So, yeah. I changed. I was wearing my pajamas. But I'm not really allowed to do slime that much. I can't like keep it a lot, especially the crafts, because I have a baby brother. So he's like really small, so when he like grows up a little, like I can do, but I can't really do that much. So that's a bummer. And this is like where I put my like stuff for slime. Yeah. So I'm gonna put it in, and I'm gonna put this in cover the box. I guess. And I'll be back. Don't worry, guys. I'll be back. So after I go back from the grocery store, this is the glue I used. It was really good. That glue I suggest you is not inspired at all, but it's called Scotch Clear Glue. I love using clear glue because I feel like it's a little bit more glossy. That doesn't make sense, but okay, just deal with it. And I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna wash that thing up again. And this is the box I put that in. So my brother doesn't, my baby brother doesn't get it. So now I'm gonna throw this thing because it's dry. And what else? I am gonna clean this thingy. I'm gonna put the beads in. I don't care. I'm too lazy to go to the bathroom and like clean because like I'm doing a video. Duh. Okay. The plate is all glittery now, but it's fine. At least it's pretty. I don't know what the heck is wrong with me today. I didn't go to school today, so yeah. If you're from my school and you watch this, and by the way, thank you so much for getting 95 views on my other video. That's really makes my heart really happy. Okay. I'm just gonna do. Okay. I'm gonna do this in the bin. And now, I'm done. Sorry about the mess in my room. I just woke up like 2 hours ago. And I was like, why don't I do a video? I was watching YouTube videos. That's why I made me tired. Okay. So thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was pretty short. I tried to do slime, but it didn't work. So give me some video suggestions down below. And the question of today is, who's your favorite YouTuber? Comment down below, and if you think this channel is good, make sure to like if you like this video. Bye guys.